When a parent takes on the responsibility of educating his or her child, homeschool burnout is one of the more common issues they have to deal with. There are many reasons that lead to this burnout: an illness, a new baby, added responsibility, a change in routine, and other reasons too. The symptoms of burnout vary from lack of patience, to overeating, and crying without any apparent reasons. Surprisingly, a burnout doesn't need to be such a bad thing. It is a wake-up call, an indicator that things are not going well, and that you need to reschedule. Reversing or avoiding a burnout is possible if you get fair warning. First, lower your expectations. Do not be a perfectionist. Take the good days with the bad. Next, when something does not seem to work, look for alternative methods. Flexibility is a key factor. If tension starts mounting, take a break. When necessary, change the style of teaching. For instance, small children love to take on spelling words when they quiz an adult. Avoid overkill. Do not pack too many activities for the sake of socializing your child. A worn-out mom means a grouchy kid, and that means no happiness. Get support from your spouse, a neighbor, or a support group. Don't try to achieve everything by yourself. Homeschooling means happy schooling. Don't forget that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.